This is Haiti, and this is how rich cruise ship tourists, the relatively few who visit, get to see it, at a private beach on the northern coast. And this is the reality, just a few kilometers away in the capital, Port-au-Prince, for most people in Haiti. Violent gangs are in control of the streets, skyrocketing prices for food mean most people are hungry and miserable.
Au moment où je vous parle, à Port-au-Prince, il y a deux morts. Pas loin de chez moi, il y a deux morts.
This is Jean-Samuel Montor. He is a freelance journalist from Haiti.
Je ne trouve pas vraiment de mots pour décrire la situation que nous vivons actuellement. Les violences sont aggravées et les cas de kidnapping sont explosés en Haïti.
But did you know the start of Haiti's story is quite inspirational? It had the world's only successful slave revolt, leading to the world's first Black Republic. So what happened? Let's just say colonialism played its part, and all these big players, amongst others, were involved. So let's unravel how the world messed with Haiti and what that means for today. This is Haiti's flag now. This is what it used to be when it was still called Saint-Domingue. Yes, that's the French flag. When the black slaves broke free of their French masters, they removed the white stripe from their flag, representing an end to white European power. A bit of white later reappeared in the flag, but with Haitian symbols. But let's start at the beginning, or at least what Europeans consider the beginning of Haiti. It was actually Christopher Columbus who was the first colonial player to set foot on the island of La Hispaniola. He landed in what is now called Mont Saint-Nicolas on November 6, 1492, claiming it for Spain. At the time, 500,000 indigenous people were living on the island. By the mid-17th century, most of those indigenous people were gone. Europe was crazy for coffee and sugar, and this Caribbean island promised both. France fought Spain for control. The two colonial powers ended up splitting the island in two. The Spanish colony of Santo Domingo is today the Dominican Republic, and the French Saint-Domingue later became Haiti. The French brought in African slaves for the grueling work on sugarcane plantations. By 1800, Haiti had a population of more than 700,000, overwhelmingly people from West Africa.
That was a very it was kind of a barbarian system. Slaves worked, they were beaten, etc.
Robert Fatten is a professor of politics at the University of Virginia. Born and raised in Port-au-Prince, Haiti has been at the center of his research for decades. The exploitation of slaves was lucrative. Saint-Domingue became France's most profitable colony in the Americas. Slave labor plantations supplied roughly 40% of sugar imported to Europe at the time. It was a brutal system, both for the enslaved humans as well as the ecosystem. You can still see the effects today. Just look at these aerial images on the border with the Dominican Republic. On the Dominican side, you can see lush forests and green lands. On the Haitian side, the land is barren, trees gone. Back to the French colony of Saint-Domingue. By the end of the 18th century, the slaves had had enough. Not surprisingly, they revolted and made history.
The revolution is something that all Haitians are very proud of. I mean, it persists. I mean, this is one of the, as we say in French, mythe fondateur, the founding myth. And it's one thing that keeps us going.
In 1804, Haiti became the first Black republic in the world. So far, so good. But it came with a price, a crippling one. First, isolation. Nobody wanted to do business with a new nation. The new Black Republic was cut off economically, surrounded by the colonies of powerful nations using slave labor who feared their slaves could also revolt. Haiti was the first Black Republic, reason enough for some of its powerful neighbors to refuse to even trade with a new nation. Because, racism. And France? Republican revolutionary France demanded Haiti pay for its independence. Having lost its lucrative source of sugar, France sought reparations, a staggering sum of 150 million francs in gold. Over the next century, Haiti paid the equivalent of between 20 and 30 billion US dollars. With massive debt, how much of a chance did the young republic even have? After independence, Haiti suffered. From the burden of reparations, from isolation, but also from poor governance. A series of bad governments, leaders who